Stay safe.
Over there, you're good.
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah, I just want to get it back over there. I'm going to use a 6. No, get there. Shit. I chunked the shit out of it. Yeah, I'm over. This goes up and then it drops to the back. Oh, come on, get there. No, we missed it. Oh, man.
Yeah. Get out of there. That's just what you need. Slow down.
All right, third shot, par 4. Oh, come on. Slow down. See, it's going pretty fast today.
So this is a par 4?
Yeah,
Dude. Mike? Oh. Gotcha, okay. Yeah, go ahead.
Oh man,
Nobody's behind us.
This last 40 yards just destroyed me.
Nice ball.
It's good. Stay with us. That wind should catch us cold.
I can get an extra 100 feet down that path.
Yeah, just fine.
Nice.
You okay with that? You happy?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
3 hybrid. The light. Nice lot. Go back. Damn, I friggin' nailed that 3 hybrid. I should have used a 4 or a 5. Oh, slow down.
Fucking fast today.
It's so fast today.
Come around.
Water.
No way, dude.
So this is a great 4th hole. I thought I went a little far, but I did not. I stopped right there and look at this. A great little chip.
Nothing wrong with that now.
Fine.
Right?
Space rocket.
I got
Right in
some
the middle of the fairway, but dude, if that would have been low like your few drives have been today, that would have been a 300-yard drive, I'm sure.
Good ball.
Oh, you just hate.
So as bad as that shot was, you know, it's not actually too bad. And I still have quite a good little chip onto the green. Middle of the green. Oh man! The distance was great on that pitch shot, but it's just a little off. But yeah, pretty good. I dodged the bunkers. The green's running fast today. This is a little lip, like down and then up towards the hole, which is really weird. So I'm just gonna touch this and see if I can go a little high and maybe it'll curl down.
Get in there, buddy.
Not enough.
Yeah, but still, look, it keeps rolling.
It's rolling fast.
Believe this shit, huh? Come on around.
Coming back.
Yep, just fine.
Oh yeah.
Just fine. We're like that.
Nice shot.
Remember that was a 7 onto the back here, so I hit that pretty good. Couldn't do much better than that. Let's hope this turns into a par.
fly. You banking my area over there?
Yeah.
Okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm on that fairway. It's actually not bad because
It's actually not a bad
it's
shot,
not
but,
bad.
yeah.
It's over there. Oh, go down. So that was a pretty poor shot. I hit that tree and came down fast. And I have a horrible line to the pin, so I'm just going to get it out there with a little hybrid. And hopefully I can have a chip and a putt. Maybe it'll roll on the green. Let's see. So I was over to the left a little bit more, and I don't know what the chances are of this. This never happened. The fairway, another guy hits it, and it hits my ball. And then it pushes my ball a little closer, so it gave me a little assist. I haven't seen that. I don't know what the chances of that is. It was pretty crazy. All right, let's get it up.
Nice shot.
That links golf, man. I love it. It was fun. Fun.
That was close. That was a great shot. Great shot. It didn't break at all.
No, it didn't break. I thought it was cool.
I lost it.
Yeah, he's straight up. Heading towards the second big willow, but he should be right in the fairway when it comes down. Yeah.
So I've been shooting pretty good today, so everything's been going a little long. I know I can do my 3 hybrid like 200 if I try, if I smoke it. So I'm going to do a 4 hybrid, and I might be short, but that'll be okay.
Okay, I had one of those holes earlier, but yeah, don't let it yet. But she likes that attention, so it's all good. Give it a chance. Give it a chance. All right, this is my bogey here. Got it right. Over by me a little bit. Nope.
Man, you get some air. Holy
Yeah,
moly.
you're over by me. Yeah.
Oh shit, it hit that tree.
Yeah. You get.
Oh shit,
So get some top roll, kick right.
too far.
She kicked right though. So
I'm
whatever
really
it is,
all
you
over the
kick
place
right.
with this chipper. Okay, this should be nice and easy. Nice and easy. Thanks.
I lost it.
Way on the other fairway, I think. So you can actually see the flag stick in between the 2 trees there, right on top of that bunker. I don't really know what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get over there. Wow, I actually got through and I'm on the left. So the golf gods got me through that tree. I just have to get up and over this bunker, and it's a relatively flat green. No, no. Oh, come on. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Haha. Well, when just you want to give up, they give you one there. The golf gods. All right. Try this draw thing I've been working on. It's pretty cool. I just grip my hands a little bit over.
Over now. That wind is coming right behind you, Conroy. Well, that works. Shit, you're in, bud.
Oh no! It hit that tree.
But you're still in here. As long as you...
Pin's right at the front of this thing.
Nice.
Par 3, hole number 12.
Get there. Kick right for it, brother. Perfect. Should be on the green.
I'm on!
Woo! It's still rolling. Look at the wind taking you over.
Yeah!
Crazy, man.
Stefan just got a birdie on this one. Amazing. I'm gonna make 1-2 here now, bud. That's great. A chip from way over there, man. That's killer.
Like the speed a lot. I don't mind the speed at all.
Yeah, not bad.
That'll be just fine, sir. Lay down.
I gotta follow through more.
Lay down. Perfect. Get a left kick there off the hill. Look at that left kick and then rolling towards the fairway. That's what you want. A little punchy, just like that. Get through. Perfect.
Slow down. So my awesome low shot through the trees blasted through and probably rolled into the drink here. So I need to drop. Ugh.
That is downhill, bud. You did see that, right?
I'm just gonna try to get it on the fringe there.
Yep, right on the edge of it. Good luck, man. Oh, you hate life.
Yeah, it's way too much. Oh, go in. Nope. Oh. That'll be safe, sir. Thanks, sir. No worries.
Yes, sir. Stay left.
Oh. So the pin is just to the right here. So I just need to punch out. Hopefully it's good. Ground is really hard. I'll just do the hybrid. Come on back. Oh. I think about it. Hey, like, don't break or anything.
Yeah, she's probably the next fairway.
That's okay. That's actually a good spot. And I'm on the other fairway, but I like this spot. I'm going to do a little 9. You see dog legs right this hole. That's right there. Well, it's not the shot I wanted, but it's the shot I get. A little chance for par. It's actually a little closer than it looks on the camera, I think. Holy shit.
Heads pop up. You see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
3 hybrid. Pump it.
Pump it.
33?
So, I mean, I didn't get married till I was 32 there for the first time ever. So, yeah, you're doing all right. Get over that bitch. That's perfect. Best shot of the day.
Thanks, man.
That's your best second shot of the day. Right there. Here's the second shot. Kind of over there with me, maybe a little more to the left of me, by the cart path. Yep, right there. See it?
Oh, okay.
A lot of trees. I gotta take my time.
Yeah.
Little low, little low. Yeah, it was a little higher.
It's like all day now, boy. It doesn't. Yeah, it started to break a little bit as it slowed.
Straight up, right there.